Hello dear all, this is the park entry card. We can learn how to make a park entry card online. Okay, everything in online. If you have this card, you can enter free in gardens, UAE gardens. Okay, I will show you one example
You
for
can
this
see
garden.
every garden is like one entrance, then very beautiful garden and football ground and everything.
This like garden you can enter is very free, and you can book a football ground and volleyball. Then there's very nice parks. Okay, how to make a request for issue renew or renew park entry card? First you want to type, first you want before this, before you entering this link, first you make a PDF, Emirates ID, and your residential tenancy also. Then first column you request type, you enter a new, you need a new. Then ID card number, you type your Emirates ID card number here. Then phone number, your official verified phone number. Then nationality, what your nationality that you add here. Then name, you one thing is what your name in your Emirates ID, that same name you want to enter here. Then what you linked from Emirates ID, that email you want to enter here. Okay, then area, your specific area for Al Nahda and Al Faiha or May Saloon Al Butuina, where are you staying, that area also you mention. Okay, maybe when you touch here you can see that area name list also. Okay, then list the contract number. When you open your tenancy contract, you can see your left side, that bottom one red line, red number. Okay, that number you want to add. After that you can check here, select files, then registration, you submit your registration. Then you will get a mail from Sharjah municipality. You want to pay 15 dirhams. You pay that 15 dirhams, then municipality will send you in your name this like your own card. Okay, you can use your family members all uh, anytime, every day, 4 p.m. to till night 10 o'clock you can spend free. Okay, there, oh, every facility there, bathroom, toilet and everything there. Okay, this is making rules. Okay, if you want the link, I will share you the link in this YouTube link also.